OCR paper from 2020. Should be relatively easy. For small angle theta, where theta is in radians, show that 2 cos theta plus 1 minus tan theta squared is approximated to 3 minus 2 theta. So what we do is we're going to write in our small angle approximations. So sine of theta equals theta, and cos of theta equals 1 minus half theta squared, and tan of theta equals theta. Now, or is approximated to. So now bear this in mind, and you get this on the front of your paper. So 2 cos theta would equal 2, 1 minus half theta squared, plus 1 minus theta squared. Okay, so that gives us 2 minus, and that's going to be theta squared because that's 2 times a half, which is that. So that's that. And then we'll just expand these brackets. So that's plus 1 squared, which is 1, minus theta, so that's minus 2 theta, and then plus theta squared. I could have done that by doing this, but I'm not going to bother. So that means that we get 2 plus 1, which is 3, and then minus theta plus theta squared. So minus theta squared plus theta squared, that gets rid of both of those. And then we're just going to have plus minus 2 theta, so it's minus 2 theta. Right, hence determine an approximate solution to 2 cos theta plus 1 minus tan theta, which is this, equals 28 sine theta. So that would be 3 minus 2 theta equals 28 sine theta. And that's going to be, I'm assuming that this is going to be the small thing as well. So it's just going to be 28 theta. So that means 3 equals, add that on, 30 theta. So that means that theta equals 3 over 30, which equals 1/10. And that is that done, I think, isn't it? Or unless we need to get a number of answers apart from that. Let's just have a little look. Yep, that's it. So that's our first bit done, and I'm going to do one more bit now. So I'm going to do the second question as well. Simplify fully. Let's use blue. Okay, so 12a, or root 12a times root 3a to the 5 equals, so we can just times them and leave them under the root. So 36a plus a5 would be a6. So that means that's the root of 36 is 6, and the root of a to the 6 would be a to the 3, because that's what you times by itself to get a to the 6. Now the next one is 64b to the 3 to the 3rd, which works out as 64 to the 3rd is going to be 4, and b to the 3 to the 3rd is going to be b. Okay, now we're going to times that by, let's just do this, 4b to the 4 to the minus a half. So that means we get, for that, we get 2, or actually we get 2, and then 2 is 2 over 1, so it's 1 over 2, because we've got to then times it to them. So it's half. So basically 4 to the half is 2, And then 2 to the minus 1 is 1 over 2, because it's the reciprocal. Now, b4 to the half is b to the 2. Or basically, this we times by b4 to that is minus 2. There we go. Right, now I'm actually going to do this. So 4 times a half equals 2. And b to the 1, I'll just put that there to be slightly annoying, times b to the minus 2 is going to be 1 plus minus 2, which is minus 1. And I actually think that looks nicer like this, so 2 over b. So that's what I do for that. So that's the second one. Oh, and this one's got loads of marks for it, so let's see what we get for this. So 7 times 9 to the 3c. Okay, I can't do anything with that, really. Minus 4 times 27 to the 2c. So I'm just going to leave 7 times 9 to the 3c minus 4 times, and I'll make that, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to make everything into powers of 3 and see whether that makes everything easier. I'm going to do it in another colour as well because it's kind of bugging me. So 7 times 3 to the 3c to the 6c, because 9 is 3 squared, minus 4, and that would be 3 times 3 to the 3 cubed is 27 times 2c, so that would be 6c. Oh, so that is going to be 3 times 3 to the 6c. So that equals, excuse me, 3 to the 1 times 3 to the 6c, which I'm assuming equals 3 to the 6c plus 1. And I don't know if I can do anything else with that. So I'll leave that there.